Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to filter unique number in Excel. So let's start this in my Excel, and here you can see I have a purchase data. In this data, in the purchase ID, you can see the 122 is a duplicate, 3 is a unique, and 44 is a duplicate. So here I am going to filter only unique number. To simply select the entire column, you can just click on this column name A, and you can select the entire column. The second way, you just drag with the mouse and select the entire column. And the third way, simply select the first cell and use the shortcut key Shift Control down arrow to select the entire column of data. Okay. After that, go to the data tab. In sort and filter group, click on the advanced option. Here the advanced filter dialog box is open. Here in action, the first option is automatically selected. After that, in list range, select the range of your column. Okay, just click on this arrow and select your the column. I select here the first cell, same as I use here the shortcut key Shift Control down arrow, and here you see A column A. In 2 is the row number, A is again column, 186 is the last row number. Okay, just click on the arrow and click on the unique records only. So when you click on the unique records only, it's filter only unique number. Okay, just click on OK, and that's it. Here you see only the unique number is filter. Now you can see it 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. There is no any duplicates. So hope you understood. If you like this, please subscribe. Thank you so much.